Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Shehab Uddin Rahim and welcome back to my another interesting video. In this video, I'm going to share you an amazing website which can help you to talk with anyone in any languages. And if you want, so you can learn any languages in this website, especially English. So without any talking, let's get started. At first, we will go to Google Chrome browser. Then search Free for Talk. Then click on this website. So this is the website. I'm already registered on this website. If you are not registered, so please register on this website. As we can see, there are a lots of groups. If you want to talk with anyone, then you have to join one of the group. So how to join a group? This is very easy. At first, click on this option, Join and Talk Now. Then click on Anywhere to join. If you want to talk with him, so you can turn on your microphone. But I don't want to talk with him.
Hello.
So I will leave the group. So how to leave the group?
Hello, can you
Then click on there, hang up this call. Then click on yes. So this is the technique to leave this group. If you don't want to join any group, then you can create your own group. So how to create my own group? This is very easy. At first, click on there. Create a new group. Then choose a language. Which language do you want? I choose English. Where is English? Yeah. Then choose a level. Which level do you want? Beginner, intermediate, advanced. I choose any level. Then you decided yourself how many people you wanna talk to. I choose 2. Then click on create a group. So this is our group. Click on anywhere to start. So yeah, this is our group. That's all for today. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more videos. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.